Welcome to how to add a new VPN connection on Windows 11. In this case, it's an L2TP IPsec VPN connection with a pre-shared key. Settings. Network and Internet. VPN. Add VPN. Connection name. L2TP IPsec. Server name or address. In this case, I'm using the IP address. This is the IP address of the virtual private network server. VPN type. L2TP IPsec with pre-shared key. Pre-shared key. Enter the shared key you set up on the server. Show. Login using username and password. Save. Complete adding the VPN connection. Connect. Connecting. You will be asked to enter username and password. Enter the account you set up on the server. Show. OK. Connected. Thank you for watching. You can quickly connect using the VPN icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. VPN. Connect. Good luck. Connected.